This video will show you step-by-step how to install your wedge mount for your ADC-VDB750 doorbell. First, we'll show you how to install the wedge mount if you already have a doorbell installed, and then we'll show you how to install it with a new doorbell installation. The wedge mount is meant to be installed underneath the wall plate and will mount to the wall. The first step in the installation process is to turn off the power to the doorbell circuit or transformer. If your doorbell is already installed, remove the ADC-VDB750 device from the wall plate by unscrewing the bottom set screw. Then, unscrew the screws mounting the wall plate to the surface. Lift the wall plate off the surface. Put the wedge where the wall plate was originally by sliding the doorbell wires through the cutout of the wedge so that the wires are going through the center of the wedge. Mount the wedge to the surface with the provided screws and anchors. Secure the wall plate to the mounted wedge using the two shorter machine screws that came in your wedge kit. Reconnect the doorbell to the wall plate by first latching the top edge, then pushing the device into the wall plate. Then secure the bottom screw with a screwdriver. Now for those looking to install their wedge mount with a new doorbell installation, the first step is to turn off the power to the doorbell circuit or transformer. You'll begin by threading the wires at the doorbell through the center of the wedge and mount the wedge to the surface with the provided screws and anchors. Next, thread the doorbell wires through the doorbell's wall plate, making sure to thread the wires underneath the plastic bridges of the wall plate leading to the screw terminals. Then secure the wall plate's screw terminals. You'll want to minimize the length of the excess wire leads protruding from the area surrounding the screw terminals. Excess wire can interfere with the assembly of the device and may result in it not powering on. Secure the wall plate to the mounted wedge using the two shorter machine screws provided in your kit. And that's how easy it is to install your wedge mount. You can now follow the instructions for the doorbell installation after this step. To watch our other smart home installation videos or for troubleshooting help, visit telus.com/smarthomeguides.